This is Misha Devine for ASL, and this is my screencast. My application is called CatBreeds, and CatBreeds is an application where you can search for cats to adopt in your area or another area. The user, this is my PRD, the user will be able to search for cats using the name or description, etc. You can say American Shorthair, or you can search for cats by black and white. Once the cats are brought up, you can see details about the cat available for adoption, like their name, their sex, their, fun-loving summary. And you can also see shelters near me. If I had more time, I would have put a rating system. I would have put something about something you can learn about the breed. You can also sorting and save favorites, and it's not on my PRD but also edit profile. Okay, here's my application. User can scroll down and you want to search for your cat. But let me first go here. Oh, I know what is under. Okay, I'm going to take this off. Make sure it's off because I didn't click. Okay. Alright. So, when you get on the page, you will have this location request. This is pulled straight from the browser itself. This allows users to be able to search for a cat in their area. This will also allow for users to find a shelter near you. If a user does not allow it, then you will not be able to use these two features. So we're going to click allow, and let's search for a cat. Say we want an American Shorthair cat. Okay, down pops this list of search results. Please excuse my styling. I was having trouble trying to figure out how to get these in different sizes, or the same size as it was in a big div. So here we have the cats, the pictures of the cats. And it shows their name, their age, if they're an adult or young or baby, their sex, female or male, their size, small, medium, large, or if they're a mixture of more than one breed. It also shows the email address of the organization that cat is being held and their city, state, zip code. And then it also shows a summary. There's a summary of this person. Of this cat, sorry. So let's say you want to search for a color. Now, I noticed that it doesn't search for all just white cats in general. It just searches for all the cats that have white in them. But as you can see, some white cats show up. So it does the same thing. You see this information, the name, and the summary. Okay, so let's say you're ready to adopt a cat, but you don't see anything on this specific list that you like. So you would scroll down and go all the way down here to adopt a cat. Okay, let's say you want to see shelters near you, near your current location. You would just click find a shelter near you, and it would show all the available shelters and their information. But wait, now you feel like you're going to be out of town for the weekend, so you want to see some, shelters in other areas. So it's like, I'm going to Clearwater this weekend, and I think I want to check out some shelters, but I don't know the shelters in that area. So we just type in the zip code and keep your eye on this here. Type in the zip code, and then you notice that the names of the shelters change from my current location, which was Orlando, to Clearwater, Palm Harbor, Largo, St. Petersburg, Seminole, etc. Let's say the user wants to sign up. So we have Nicole, Blameless, Nicole at Nicole.com, password Nicole. That reroutes you to the sign up page or the login page. So you would type in Nicole at Nicole.com and the password, click login. This says welcome back, Nicole. So it's taking what the username that has been in the database. And as you see, it's the same layout that's here. And here you can see, as soon as I connect, here you can see that Nicole has been added. Nicole has been added to the database. The user, in version 2, there will be more features for this, like save to favorites, rating, you can learn about the cats, etc. Those features will pretty much satisfy the login, log out. So here, the user wants to log out, takes you back to the main index page. And I have lots of code for the search API for the user to be able to search. I have HS calls, getting the JSON, concatenation. Here's the code for that. And I used CodeIgniter and Bootstrap to be able to perform this, for the user to be able to see their shelters. It's pretty much the same code as here, but a little something added. So, okay, that is it for my presentation or my screencast.